divas, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing a top 5 apps that you should probably be using at this point as a fashion designer. But if this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Priscilla. I'm a Nigerian women's wear designer based in the UK, and as I mentioned earlier on, I'm going to be talking through 5 apps that would really take your brand to the next level. 1 or 2 you might not know or use, but most of these you might have seen in passing, or you most likely use them already. So if you'd like to find out what these apps are, make sure to keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe and join the K-Divas fam if you haven't already. And with that out of the way, let's dive straight into the video. The first app or service I'm going to be talking about is Patone. I don't think we use Patone enough as creatives. And why Patone is brilliant is you can go onto the website and basically create a color palette. You also get the exact number or code combination for those colors. So when you're sourcing for swatches or when you're looking for exact color matches, you have that color palette to guide you. Patone is great because if you're designing a collection or if you have a color in mind, but you're not sure what color would complement that particular color, it actually helps you to solve that problem. They also release a color for the year every single year. I think this year's color is Mocha Mousse. It's like a rich brown chocolatey color. So they will release the color, and then brands, whether it's fashion brands, interior decor, beauty brands, everybody kind of gets inspired by that color in some capacity. You can decide to jump on that bandwagon and use that color for your own brand because it might become the trending color of the year, or you can use a color that is totally different. But if you don't even know what to start or what color to use, Patone is actually really good for this. The second one that I'm really loving but I'm fairly new to is Clo 3D. If you haven't seen my Clo 3D introduction video where I basically use it for the first time, I'm going to link it on the screen so you check it out if you haven't seen it already. It is a software that allows you to create 3D fashion. I think what really blows my mind about Clo is as you're making the pattern on one side, you are seeing it on the avatar's body. That's one. The second thing is once you have successfully created your pattern, you love how it looks on your avatar, you can generate a tech pack from that. The moment I found out, I was just like, oh my god, what have I been doing with all my life and all my time? So if you go onto the Clo website, you can actually create a document that has the assembly instruction or an assembly guide for your garment, the tech pack, a costing sheet or breakdown. You can also generate different colorways for your garments. So if you're someone who really wants to manufacture your piece but you don't want to outsource creating the technical documents, Clo would become very handy for you. So in addition to making that 3D fashion, making the pattern, you have all those technical documents that come with the software, which is what convinced me to actually get the subscription. So check it out if you haven't tried it out already. Someone who is familiar with Clo, make sure to leave a comment down below what your favorite feature of the software is. I know in the previous video I mentioned you kind of need constant internet, but someone came and said you don't need internet to use it, so I might be wrong. It's the first time for me, but honestly I'm excited to try the software even more and most likely share some projects and videos for you guys on the channel. If you are a scatterbrain, or if you're someone who struggles to organize all of your ideas, all of your to-dos, all of the things that you plan to do for your brand, Notion, I repeat, Notion, this video is never sponsored by Notion, but Notion honestly is a game changer. If you have a lot of ideas but you don't know when to do them or break or really flesh out the ideas in bullet points or in script format in a way that is actionable for you, you need to check out Notion. You can create calendar layouts and plan out all of your content ideas on Notion. You can also have pages where you can list out things that you want to do, and you have the to-do list box that you can use to check things out. You can also share Notion with your team. If you're someone who you work with someone else and you want the person to see what you are working on, you can share Notion with the person, like a Notion page with that person as well. I honestly love it because you get a mobile app version. Like this video I'm filming, I literally have my talking points which I've already written down on Notion, and I'm just talking through them. So I love using it. I already have my content ideas on there. So if you are not sure of how to organize your thoughts, organize your ideas, try out Notion. It's actually free. You don't need to pay for anything. You can use it on your laptop or use it on your phone, and it just kind of keeps you organized. You can add it to your calendar in such a way that it sends you reminders for tasks that you have to do. Someone asked me yesterday, how do you get your content ideas or project ideas? And one place I go onto is Pinterest. If you're just looking for someone to just get inspired, like if you don't even know what to make, if you don't know what to do, you just want to see what's out there in the creative industry, check out Pinterest. And this ranges from fashion, beauty, hair, interior decor, food. Like I have so many folders on Pinterest for all the things that I care and love. So if you want to find out maybe different dress styles in Ankara or in chiffon or in silk or bridal, like just go onto Pinterest, search what you are thinking, and you to come up with a lot of pins that you could possibly explore or be inspired by. Now you can take a few pins, combine them together and create an original design, or you could recreate a project and of course tag the person who did the original design. That's just called etiquette on social media, but I love Pinterest for that. Whenever I don't know what to do or whenever I want to make something but I don't know where to start, I just go on Pinterest, have a good browse, save different pins. For example, if I have a photo shoot, this is one way I find Pinterest very useful. If I have a photo shoot and I know I have an idea of the feel that I want the pictures to have, I actually go on Pinterest and I search poses. So if I want to do a street style photography like shoot, I go on Pinterest, search that name, and then it gives me ideas of what people have already done, and I create a mood board using those pins. So when I go onto that shoot, when I go into that studio, I have an idea of poses I can actually do, and I'm not just there like, what pose am I going to do? How should I arrange my face? What should I do with my hair? What should I do with my makeup? I already have a mood board I've created using the pins or the pictures or images or videos that I found on Pinterest. So if you need inspiration for ideas, check out Pinterest. It is one of my go-to places when I just need creative ideas for what I could do for my channel or just for myself. The final app on this list is one that I think I use every single day at this point, and this is Canva. Canva is great for creating branding materials or marketing materials. If you're someone who wants to create graphics for your products, or you want to create ebooks, or you want to create templates, or you want to design a thumbnail, Canva is so amazing, and there's a lot you can do just with the free plan or the free version. At the moment, that's why I create like all of my ebooks, all of my templates. If I want to create graphics for socials, or if I want to create like a cover for like a product that I'm launching, I actually do a lot on Canva. It is a similar experience with Photoshop. I think why I love Canva is I've been using it for a while, so I'm kind of just really used to where everything is. And there are lots of templates that you can just drag in, edit, change color, change text, and you have your product already done. I have the paid version, but I know there's a free version that allows you to do a lot of things already. You can also get videos and pictures that you can incorporate into like a YouTube video or into a piece of content for it just to have like a nice rhythmic flow, and it's not just you talking to the camera or it's not just your face, the full video. If you want a Photoshop experience without paying for the full Adobe suite, Canva is the one app that you need to try out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any apps or if there are any services that you use that really help your fashion business, this could be something that you use for drawing, something that you use for design, something you use for planning or time management. I know time management is a big one that a lot of solopreneurs we struggle with. Please leave a comment down below so me too I can learn and someone else watching this video would find it useful. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave any further video ideas or suggestions or any questions you might have about any of these apps or any previous videos I've done in the past, and we could possibly have a conversation in the comment section as well. Until next time, have a good morning, afternoon and evening wherever you are. Bye.